Why am I right person to speak about this? It is because I have completed my entire schooling from Bengali medium school and it is a high school at my village. Yes, I am a small town girl, but still I have improved my English. That is why you have to trust me on this. If you are also from purely Bengali medium or Hindi medium background and your English is not so good, that is why you feel underconfident in front of your families, friends, office colleagues, then this video is going to be game changer for you. How did I improve my English? That is a totally different story. If you are in any case interested to know that, then I'm going to mention a timestamp in the description box. I'm going to share that at the end of the video. But if you want, you can directly skip to that part of the video. Otherwise, let's get started with the main part of the video. I have discovered 3 amazing applications that will actually help you to improve your English. So the common problem is you need someone to speak in English with you. So we are going to solve that problem too in this video. Number 1 application is KCAP. It is an amazing application. If you want to improve your English from very basic, then this app is going to be very helpful for you. There are a lot of channels available on their platform like YouTube and they upload content in English. The subtitles are also available. You can play those videos and they will actually give you time to speak in English. You can pause that video and you can speak in English. You can record your voice and after that you can listen to your voice, and that is how you can improve your English speaking skill. Number 2 is Ingvarta. The best part of this application is it is an Indian application. Some Indians have created this application. You can install this application and you can purchase plans and you will find a lot of people to talk to you. It will be one-to-one conversation. You can talk to those people in English in your comfort zone. So there will be no one to judge you in the basis of your English. If you are planning to improve your English, then being an Indian, my advice will be give this app a try. Number 3 is English conversation application. Now it is also a very good application. If you want to improve specifically your English conversation skill, then I will advise you to install this app. This is the time, guys, to work on your skill in this lockdown, and English is just not a language, it is a skill. If you know this skill, you can't even think that this skill will be the savior in your career and it will actually open up a lot of doors for you. It is not something optional, it is mandatory skill that you need to learn. Suppose you are working as a freelancer and if you know how to speak in English, you can actually work with the international brand. So you can think that you can level up your income from this to this by using only this skill. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to use English conversation app, and it is really interesting and fun. That is why I will show you. Now the conversation topic is picnic by the lake, and suppose I am Joey and we are going to start the conversation.
Hi Mike, what are you doing today?
Hi Joey, my family and I are going to the lake. We are going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
Sure, we are leaving at 10:30.
Okay, let me ask my parents. What should I bring?
You should pack swim trunks and a life jacket.
Okay, how about food?
My parents are going to pack some food. There will be plenty of food for you too.
Thanks. I'll be back as soon as possible.
Try to come back before 10:30.
I will. If I can't go, I will call you.
I hope you can come with us.
Me too. I have no plans today.
See you soon.
I hope so.
So you can see this is so much fun to learn English. I am requesting you, just after watching the video, go to the Play Store, install the application and start from now and you are going to rock it. Okay, I have made everything clear about the video, and if you want to leave, you can leave because I am going to share my personal story right now. If you want to hear my personal story, then welcome. Okay, now being a Bengali medium student, I was really underconfident and my English was not good at all. My spoken English was not good. Now I took admission in Adamas University and that is when my transformation started. So faculties used to take classes in English and I had so many friends there and their English was so good. So I feel literally underconfident in front of them. I had 2 options then, being that underconfident girl for the rest of the life or start working on my skill. I had chosen option 2. Our university had provided us one English communication class that was literally for 6 months, and And as you know that 6 months is not enough to learn a language, and that is when I suddenly met an amazing person in my life on campus, and I'm not going to forget them. Because of them I'm here today. So they were Bakshi sir and Bakshi ma'am. They were both husband wife, and their English was so good, and they used to provide English communication class specially for Bengali medium student, and they used to take class early from 8 a.m. So you understand, those who have that junoon to learn English, they will definitely wake up and they will attend their classes. Our college used to start from 9:30 a.m. and they used to take class from 8 a.m. So I used to wake up at 7 a.m. and got ready for my extra classes, like that was from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then after attending that class, I used to run to my canteen to have breakfast, and then after having my breakfast, and I used to attend my regular classes. So there I met a lot of people. Their English was not good because they are also from Bengali medium background, and that is when I got that courage to speak in English. I had no companion at that time. I was literally alone in the journey. I used to wake up early in the morning, especially during the winter morning, alone, and there was no one to give me motivation. I self-motivated myself, and I used to push myself a little bit every day, and that is how I improved my English. So to learn a new skill, you have to sacrifice a little bit of your sleep, a little bit of your favorite food. It takes literally guts to embarrass yourself in front of public, and it takes guts to get out of your comfort zone. Not everyone can do this. If you can do this, then congratulations. So that was my story, that how I improved my English, and if it have inspired you a little bit, let me know in the comment section. I feel good that my story have inspired at least someone, because you know I love to read your comments and I give reply to each and everyone. So don't forget to comment down below, and if you find this video helpful, then like this video, share the video with your friends who need help. And if you find someone whose English is not so good but at least they are trying to improve their English, support them. Don't make them feel uncomfortable. That was all I wanted to share in this video. I will come back to you with another interesting video, and till then, install the application and start learning English right now, and see you soon.